My teeth have been terrible for years. I grew up with not going to a dentist, and as a result, I had cavities all the time. They were just always patchworking up. I mean, they were putting in crowns and fillings and this and that, and every time I went, there was more issues they were taking care of. I didn't feel comfortable. I felt decent as far as going out in public and all, but it was kind of embarrassing because my wife had beautiful teeth and mine were very, very ugly, and I got tired of looking at them.
When Jerry and his wife were ready to go for a trip to Europe, she wanted to have a nice smile and some teeth he could chew and eat with and really enjoy it. So she really wanted him to have it, and he actually came on board, was really excited to do it. With Jerry's issues, our solution for him was to get rid of all the bad teeth, deconstruct all the things that we knew weren't going to last a long time, and gave him an implant replacement. So with a combination of implants, crowns, veneers, we were able to restore his bite back.
Dr. Pilling did everything perfectly. I mean, it was quick, it was painless, and it was a very, very relaxed situation. And there was absolutely no pain. I was amazed at all the work he did, and had no pain, no discomfort at all. I felt very comfortable with it. When I saw my smile for the first time, wow, I mean, I could not believe it. It was just amazing. It was such a difference. It just blew my mind. I didn't think it was possible.
Beautiful. His smile's gorgeous, and he loves it. He can chew and eat all the food he likes. He's actually usually not a super excited guy, but he's super excited about his teeth.
Look at the difference here. Now I can chew anything, I can eat anything, and I can smile, and I feel so much better. Dr. Pilling did a great job. I'm really impressed.